Guys, it's me, Addie. I'm back again. I know I made a video yesterday, but I'm really bored right now and I have nothing else to do. And my bathroom and room are a complete mess, so I thought this would be the perfect time to clean it all up and just kind of organize everything because like it is a mess. Like I don't even want to show you guys. And I also thought maybe I should do like a face mask because my skin definitely needs it right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna clean up everything first and then I will like do the face mask and whatever. Here's Phoebe. She's just laying down on my bed like usual. But yeah, so I am going to get right to cleaning. So, hey guys, so I just finished cleaning the room. It took me like 30 minutes. In my bathroom I cleaned. Yeah, so like I was like running around everywhere. I had like stuff all under the bed and stuff, but I finally got it cleaned. I still have to mop and do a few more things, but pretty much it's clean. The bed's made. The beanbags has no clothes on it now. I put all the clothes in my closet. You probably don't want to see that because it's very messy, but because there's shoes everywhere. But yeah, like she had thrown up behind my bed and I didn't know about it, and yeah, so I had to clean that up. It was pretty gross. It wasn't that much. It was like on a card. Like I had gotten a card recently. But the card was out of it. Thank gosh. It was just the envelope. So, yeah. So it's pretty much clean. I just need to kind of like use the vacuum and stuff in here. But other than that, it's pretty good. Yeah, so, I think I'm going to do a face mask. I think I'm going to do glitter mask. I think I'm gonna do the Glam Glow one just because I haven't done it in a while. It's just like this one, you know, just the regular one. Sorry, that's like in the way. That's really, my face is washed. I just took a shower. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this mask. There's a dust all over the floor. That's kind of annoying. Whatever, that's good. Okay, so my mirror is right here. There's not much light in my room or in the bathroom. There's actually more in the bathroom, but I didn't feel like going in there because it's just the bathroom. I just don't feel like being in the bathroom. So, as you all know, this is what it looks like. Just like and then it comes with the little brush. You know, the little, okay. Anyway, they've come out with a bunch of more glitter masks since I got this one, but this is just the one I have, but I think it smells amazing and it looks beautiful. This is what it looks like. It's just the black one. It smells like just like, I don't know, summer, and I'm gonna take these off. But yeah, so I have not done this in a really long time actually, so I'm just gonna apply this. Oh, it's really cold. I can't really see anything, so I hope I'm not like, don't look stupid or anything. Uh-oh, I don't want to get it in my hair or my eyebrows, so. It smells so good. Sorry if I'm not talking, I'm just trying to concentrate, focus on trying not to get it in my hair, which I think I just did. You know, pull my hair back more, but I don't have a headband or anything. Well, if I did, I wouldn't be able to find it because everything's in boxes still. Well, not really, but you know, it's just kind of not like we don't know where everything is yet. But I got my bathroom clean. Thank gosh. That's bugs me bad. I'm not sure how long I have to leave this on for. I might just turn the camera off and go watch TV until it dries, and then I'll get back to y'all when it's dry. I'm not sure. Whatever. It's looking really pretty. I haven't done this in like a really long time. I forgot to. Okay, so I look really crazy right now, but the mask is on. So, it's really pretty, I think. I think I got this for Christmas last year. So, it's on, I guess. I'm just gonna like wait until it dries. I'll get back to y'all later. Hi guys, the mask is dry. yeah, so I'm about to go take it off, but I'm like really tired, and it's been sitting on here probably way too long. Okay, so I'm gonna take the mask off now. It feels really weird, but I gotta like start somewhere, so this is so satisfying. I love doing these. And this one doesn't hurt. Some of them hurt, but this one does not. Oh, and the Too Faced one does not hurt either. There we go. Okay, so here's like the mask. I just took it off. I'm gonna go wash the rest of it off, and I will be right back. Okay, so it's all off. Now it's pretty clean. My skin, like acne stuff, has actually gone down a lot because I went to my dermatologist and he gave me this cream I put on every night, and it actually has been working, so that's awesome. I've been using that and I haven't got to use anything else, so I might use some things right now that I have not used in a while because I really haven't put anything other than that on my skin for a while now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the Farsali Unicorn Essence, the elixir. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with that. It smells so good. It's just pink, you know. You probably know. So I'm just gonna drop some on my face. Drop some on my face. And yeah, so this stuff is really nice, and it's just like a sort of, you can use it as a primer or as just a serum. It's like an antioxidant serum, I'm pretty sure. So I'll put it on my lips too. So next I'm gonna use this. This is from the brand Peach Slices. It's like a Korean brand. It's not really like anything expensive, but it's the Citrus Honey Aqua Glow. It's just a moisturizing gel. I think the packaging is really cute too. Yeah, but it also smells really nice. But it's really hydrating. Like if you have dry skin, this is seriously, I think I got it from CVS. So sorry about that, you guys, but my phone actually died in the middle of putting moisturizer on. So literally all I did after that was put the moisturizer on, and then I put some like under eye cream, just like this under eye stuff. That's basically all I did, and now I'm just laying on the couch again. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So sorry that my phone died. That was crazy, but yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see. I know it was a very random video, but I forgot to say this in yesterday's video, but my videos won't be scheduled like any like particular day, like for example like every Tuesday, you know. They won't be like that. They'll just kind of be random, but I will let you guys know next time I post a video. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like and comment what else you want to see. But yeah, bye.